This is Evan with PCS Outdoors, and today we're going to be pumping up the Gauntlet 2. This is a great Umarex rifle. This is the Gauntlet 2 SL22 22 caliber. Great fun gun with a full pump. You can actually get 70 plus shots out of it. Just a little bit about it. Normal things that most air guns have is the butt and the cocking part where you pull it back and put the ammunition in, or the pellet. It does have a regulator right there that has how much pressure is in this large tank here. And right here on this side has a little cap, and that's what you hook up the air compressor to pump that tank up. So let's get started. I have a Weber air compressor here. You want to make sure you have a PCP high pressure air compressor because it's not like the regular compressor you use to pump up your tires or anything. So first thing, got it out of the box, and we're gonna plug it into the wall. It does have an adapter and stuff, so you can actually hook it up to battery terminals for 12 volt, but we're using the regular 110 plug, not the DC plug. So we got that plugged in. This one itself has a nice little gauge on it, and it has an auto shut off that you can pick, so you can turn it to what pressure you want, and when it gets there it'll automatically shut the air compressor off. So this is kind of handy. All your PCP compressors are different, so I mean, definitely please read the manual, make sure you're operating it right, so you don't hurt yourself or damage any of the equipment. But right now we got that hooked up. We got the line hooked to the compressor, and you just pull back on this like a lot of your air compressors, and it plugs right in. Just that easy. Now this compressor, once it's plugged in, the fan kicks on automatically to keep it cool, and it actually has a temperature gauge. It's a little bit loud. That's just the fan. When I hit the compressor button, it'll start pumping. Now, let the pressure build up there. Now, to save some time and stuff, I'm not going to fill the gun up. These do take a little while to pump up. So when I pumped it up the first time, it took about 15-20 minutes to get fully charged, but it pumped up to where I had it set, and then it kicked it off. Now, as I mentioned, all your air compressors are different. This one, once you're done pumping it up, to relieve the pressure on the hose, you actually have a little valve here that you have to turn to release the pressure on the hose here. So once that's released, then it's safe to remove the air hose from the air gun itself. Really easy and simple to use and pump up, and a little bit of time you pump it up full, and then you got 70 plus shots, and you can go out shooting all day for a great low price because you're just buying pellets.